Hi everyone, this is Meeta. If you have trouble keeping track of all of your bill payments every month, I've got a great spreadsheet for you. It will automatically show you how much you need to pay for each bill for each month and will also keep track of any balance payments due. So let's see how this works. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I want to demonstrate my bill payment tracker. This is very easy to use. It's in one sheet and you can track all your bills for all of your months. Let's start. This column is where you would enter the description of the bill. Like you can see, I have already entered some bills like rent, electricity, etc. This is where you can enter the vendor name if you like, the monthly amount if it is going to be a fixed amount, and the due date, the date that the bill is due every month. And this will get automatically calculated, the year-to-date amount paid. You can also enter some notes over here. Some of the columns that are shaded are columns which have formulas in them and will get automatically calculated. So let's enter a bill. So say for example, this is a cell phone bill. And say your vendor is Verizon, and say you have a monthly payment of $30. So we'll enter that and you'll notice it will automatically populate for all of the months. Amount due for Jan becomes 30, amount due for Feb 30, March 30, and so on. And just enter the date that this bill is due. Say it is due on the 18th of the month. This is as a reminder to you that this is when you would need to pay the bill. Then let's go in Jan and say we paid it on the 18th. Put that in there and type in the amount you paid, and you see that the balance due disappears and this is the amount you've paid. Similarly, you'd go over to February and put in the date. Say you paid the bill in February on February 20th. Put that date in, put in the amount, 30. Now say it is for an expense like rent. Let's type in rent and say you have a vendor, landlord ABC. Put in the rate, say monthly rent of 1,000, and say it's due on the 1st of the month. Just put in the 1st. Then we go over here and say on Jan 1, instead of paying the whole amount that's due, it's showing you that the whole amount of $1,000 is due, but instead of 1,000 you chose to pay 800, and automatically you'll see that it will show you that the balance remaining for Jan is $200. Also, this column over here shows you the total amount you've paid so far. Say for rent, till date you've paid $2,400, electricity $250. So it's a great way to track how much each of your expenses have been for the year. Now some expenses are not fixed every month. So say for example electricity, this will vary every month, so just leave the monthly fixed rate as blank, and this will also show as amount due will also remain blank for all of the months. Just go in for that month, enter the date that you're paying it, say the 10th, you're paying on Jan 10th, and your bill for that month was say 75. Just enter it and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below, and do please leave me your comments and questions. And you can also reach me through my website moneyusage.com. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.